Morning! Church day! Ganda weather ngayon, umuulan. Shower with blessing. Tawag dito. Mahambon eh. Shower with blessing. Going to the church today. So, here we are. Yan. St. Mary's. So, yung pinakaunang church na napuntahan ko. So, very blessed. So, very thankful. Kasi, what I prayed for is in binigay niya. Hindi man instantly, but slowly, dumarating. So, thank you, Lord. And have a blessed weekend, weekdays. Timing in weekday. Alright, let's go. Here we go. Shower more blessings. Yeah, good morning. Right, bawal sa loob mag-video, so, hey,